The squad for the Asia Cup has been announced today. And in a glowing testament of just how short our public memory is, guess what the discussion is about? Shreyas Iyer being snubbed and kept out of the team. Ladies and gentlemen, exactly 4 months ago, 26 Indians were asked their religion and then shot dead by Pakistani terrorists in Pahalgam. This was an attack on our country. India went to war with Pakistan after that. We launched Operation Sindoor. We took out their terror bases. We shut off our airspace for them. We even shut off the Indus water tap. Forget all of that. We even gave Diljit hell for acting with a Pakistani actress, even though the film had been shot way before Pahalgam. We ensured the film doesn't release in India. But when it comes to cricket, it seems all is forgotten and forgiven. So the Asia Cup will go on. India, which is the host, will play Pakistan, and billions of dollars will be generated as a result. What is supposed to make all of this okay is the fact that we are not playing Pakistan in India. We are playing them at a neutral venue, UAE. Today, BCCI's Vice President was asked about what this critical compulsion was for India to play Pakistan, whether in UAE or on the moon or in India. As usual, there were no answers.
I think it's a very good selection. I mean, all the players who have got an expertise in T20, they have been picked up by the selectors. So wonderful selection according to me. And Surya Kumar Yadav is the captain. Subman Gill is the vice captain. And there are a lot many, competent players are there. Rinku Singh is also there. So I think it's a good team.
And so there's been a lot of talk around Asia Cup in the last few months. Do you think the focus will be solely on cricket when the team heads to UAE?
I'm talking about the team which has been picked up by the selectors today. That's it.
This is a very tricky situation because just Pahalgam has happened. There was Operation Sindoor. People are at pain. We have lost people's life. In this time, these kind of celebrations or competitions is avoidable. I hope that the BCCI stop these kind of things. BCCI recognizes the pain of people and not add celebration to this kind of thing.
What is our official position, ladies and gentlemen, as a country? Our official position is terror and talks cannot go together. But terror and cricket can. As they say, hypocrisy ki bhi seema hoti hai. Just by the way, as the Indian squad was being announced today, Pakistan made an announcement of their own. They said their players will not be travelling to India for the Asia Cup hockey matches because of security reasons. We invited them, we even gave them visas. Essentially, we laid out the red carpet for Pakistani players. They snubbed us, but we still want to play them. Why? Is paisa over India's pride?